Can you believe that when I was off getting married a couple weeks ago, I didn't have to do anything for my online store and it completely ran itself. But the most impressive part was that I still had social media posts going out multiple times a day and lots of traffic coming into our shop for our big mid-year sale. And most of that wasn't even done by myself or anybody that I hired. So who was doing all that for me? If you're interested in having other people promote you and your products across the internet, then I have just the solution for you today, especially if you're a little bit introverted, camera shy, or you just haven't figured out that TikTok stuff yet. This is going to be the perfect solution for you. So what is it that I did differently that allowed me to step away from my business and things still continue to grow? It wasn't some magic formula or template or something like that. It was actually the power of my affiliate network. And if you've tried affiliates before and it hasn't quite worked out, then you're definitely going to want to stick around till the end of today's video, because this last talking point that I have is going to be especially for those of you out there that haven't felt like an affiliate program is just the right fit for you. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Christina Scalera, the founder of something called Digital Commerce, or I just call it D-Commerce for short. And this is where you come up with ideas in your own head, turn them into digital products, and sell them through an online storefront. And I help you to do that more effectively so that you can do things like I did, where you step away from your business for a whole 2 weeks and go on vacation or help a family member out or whatever the situation might be, while your business still brings in income no matter what you're doing or where you are. We know that every business needs traffic, and there's so many different ways that you can bring in traffic. But if you know that you're a little bit more on the introverted side, or you just want to quickly expand without using some kind of paid advertising like Facebook ads, then affiliates are a great strategy for you. The way that an affiliate program works is you have a product up for sale on your d-commerce store, and your affiliate can promote that product to their audience. And typically their audience is very different from yours, or complementary, or hopefully bigger than yours. So now all these new people are getting to see your product from this affiliate that they already know, like, and trust. So it's a lot more effective than an ad. And you only have to pay the affiliate when that affiliate sells the product. So you're not out of pocket before you even have a sale of the product like you would be with Facebook ads. In order to see what this looks like, I'm gonna actually flip my screen around and take you on a tour of what our affiliate program looks like, the software that I'm using, and just kind of give you an idea of what it looks like to have an affiliate program in practical terms. Just to give you a full behind the scenes tour of what it looks like for people to become an affiliate with us, this is our affiliate shop sign up page. And you can go ahead, click get started earning, and it takes you into our semi application. So it really is just creating an account, and then we actually do a little bit of screening on the back end. But basically, what you can see here is that we have created a sales page because, like the airline industry, we know people have options when it comes to template shops that they want to be an affiliate for. Especially my shop sells legal contract templates. We were one of the first in the industry, definitely the first with an affiliate program that I know of. And now that people have copied us, our affiliate program has helped us to stand out. But that also means that we need to be at the forefront of selling people into our affiliate program to make sure they understand why ours is better than anybody else's out there. And so what you're seeing here is actually a sales page of sorts in order to help get people into this program. So you can go through this on your own. I'll link it below, and you can kind of look at what ours looks like. Please do not copy it or copy our program. That would be unethical and illegal, but you can certainly look to it as an example. And I love the fact that we have set this up to tell people exactly what our average affiliates are earning per each sale, even though we do have a percentage-based commission on the back end. The software that they are seeing for that application, that sign up, is through Tapfiliate. It's just one of their sign up forms because that's the affiliate software that we use in order for our affiliates to track their commissions and cookies and everything like that. Once I log into our affiliate software, as you can see here, as the person who's providing this affiliate program, this is what I see. And our affiliates see a slightly different dashboard, but similar, where they can see what their conversion rate is, how many people, how many clicks they're sending to our products, and any kind of commissions that they are owed. And so here you can see on the back end of mine, we have 335 active affiliates in the last month, and we had 82 conversions, which means 82 sales. So as you can kind of see over here, we have
affiliates that are making multiple sales and they are having a little bit of a higher conversion rate. So this is the average conversion rate of our affiliates as they are sharing our links out. And so this is what we're really seeing and evaluating on the back end as someone who's administering the affiliate program and making sure that our affiliates are happy and doing a good job for us. Also in Tapfiliate, which is about $70 a month, so it is on the steeper side. I would definitely start with my lazy affiliate strategy that I've covered elsewhere. And again, if you want that in a video like all by itself, maybe we can do that. Let me know in the comments. But you can see over here on the dashboard, we have reporting where we can look at anything that we need to. We have a list of all of our affiliates, so not just the active ones who have sold for us in the last 1 to 3 months. And we also have some conversions. Looks like we need to make sure that those are all taken care of. We just had our mid-year sale, so it's a little higher than normal here. And we have any kind of affiliate assets. So that's like if we wanted them to use anything for social media, we could put those assets here for them to access within their affiliate portal. And then we also have the payouts tab. So this is what I'll go into to make those affiliate payments. I don't know what triggers is actually, and then settings, which is just kind of like our profile, that kind of thing. So this is a really great software. I really enjoyed using it. If I had to start over though, I would have used something called Pretty Links, which I think is like $10 a month, because then they would have gotten their affiliate link as a pretty link instead of, as you can see, this sign up link that we have to share with them. And that would have been better because if for whatever reason we wanted to switch out of Tapfiliate, we could have done that. But now our affiliates are all using a Tapfiliate link that's like through this Tapfiliate portal. And it would be really hard to change that on 900 plus active affiliates. So yeah, that would be my tip to you, is that if you wanted to potentially change, like if prices went up in the future, you had that option. But another one I would have considered is called Refersion. And then there's another one called Lead Dino. And I haven't used either of those two myself because we use Tapfiliate, but I've heard really good things about them. And as an affiliate for other people, I like to use those. So here it is. Here's this raw, unfiltered look. And if you have any doubt about what kind of platform you should use, make sure you assess all options, including how much the affiliate program is going to cost you on a monthly basis, whether your affiliates are going to make that up or not, if you're selling enough. And also make sure that it's user friendly, that you'll actually be able to get in there and use it. Because if you're not able to do it, the chance that your affiliates are going to do that is very low. We want to make this as easy as possible for them and take out any kind of friction. So when I chose Tapfiliate, I actually went in as an affiliate, like pretending to be one of my affiliates to see what it was like for them on the back end. And it was a really nice, easy experience. And that's why we ultimately went with them. So that's just like a little bit of a hack for anything in your business. You always want to pretend to be your customer going through the checkout process. You always want to pretend to be your affiliate going through the affiliate process. All right, I'm going to go ahead and flip my screen around so I can get to the rest of these tips because we've got some good ones coming up.
Now that you've seen how we set up our affiliate program and entice new affiliates to join, I want to talk to you about actually running that program. The cool thing about creating these awesome products is that other people are going to want to sell them. So now you know how to get them signed up, but how do you actually run this program so that your affiliates get what they need out of it and continue to promote you? One of the things to note about our affiliate program is that we don't just accept anyone and everyone. We do have a public sign up link where anyone can sign up, but if you don't have any kind of sales within a certain time period, I think it's 6 months or 12 months, we actually release you from the affiliate program, which basically means we kick you out. It doesn't take much to stay a part of the program, just one sale every 6 to 12 months. But if you're not having at least one sale in a year time frame, you're probably not that serious about being an affiliate, and we don't want to waste our resources and materials on that person as an affiliate. The other thing that we do that's really different than other affiliate programs that set us apart is we have a tiered affiliate program. So within the affiliate program, if you are one of our top sellers, we actually reward you by giving you a higher commission amount. So for example, the public tier is something like 15%. And the private tier that you get invited into if you're an influencer or if you are just selling really, really well for our affiliate program is slightly higher percentage than that. If having a tiered system is just a little bit too much work, you can always have an upfront application to screen the potential affiliates that you'd be working for. Another reason it's a good idea to check in and screen your affiliates is because you don't want just anyone out there promoting you. Like if they have a really politically derogatory message or just values that you don't agree with as a business owner, you probably don't want them out there promoting your products and putting their name to your brand. You saw earlier on the video what our registration page looks like, and it's really set up like a traditional sales page like you would see for an online course or training, because we want to actually sell people into our program, but we also want to disqualify the people that are a bad fit to work with us. The biggest question I get around respecting your affiliates in this area and making sure your program runs well is, what should I pay my affiliates? And I have other resources on this channel dedicated just to this, but a very brief overview and review is you should always be paying your affiliates what it costs to make it worth their time. For example, if you have a higher priced digital product, then you are going to make sure that you're paying your affiliates a commission that makes it worth the time and effort that they need to take to inform and educate their audience about your product and the fact that it exists and who it's for and who it can help and all of those great things. If you have a lower ticket product, something that's like $5, $10, $20, somewhere around that range, the affiliate isn't going to have to work as hard because presumably it's easier for more people to spend $20 than it is $2,000, something like that. So they are not going to have to work as hard, but they are going to need a bigger commission in those instances to make it worth their while. Just a quick example using some easy math. If you're going to give your affiliates a 50% commission of a $20 product or a 10% commission of a $2,000 product, it is definitely going to be worth it for them to take the 10% of the higher dollar products versus lower. So you just want to make sure that if you have different products in your shop that are all different price points like I do, that you price your affiliate commission accordingly. As you may have seen from our registration page, our average affiliate commission is around $93. And so that really makes it worth their while when every single product that's selling, because typically our affiliates are selling more than one product in a month, that makes it worth their time to just kind of mention that we exist or pass our contact information around to our clients so their clients can enjoy shopping from our store, and the affiliate gets a commission when that client makes a purchase from the store. The third thing you want to make sure that you have when it comes to managing your affiliate program and doing it successfully so that it's hands-off is a very good tracking system. So in the beginning, you could use what I call the lazy affiliate strategy. And if you want to know what that is, drop a comment below and maybe I'll make a video on that in the future. But otherwise, you could use a software like the one that I showed you to have effortless cookie tracking. And a cookie is just like a little tiny digital cookie, little baked good that gets set on someone's browser when they come to visit your site. And so what we want to do for affiliates is make sure that when they are sending someone to our site, that the cookie says who the affiliate was that sent them to our site. That way the affiliate makes sure that they get the commission. If the affiliate is not having people be properly cookied, then they are not getting properly paid, and that's a big problem. So you always want to make sure that you are tracking those sales well and treating your affiliates right by making sure that they always get credit for the sale, digitally speaking, and that happens flawlessly through these affiliate programs and softwares. But if you want my completely free lazy affiliate strategy, again, I don't have time to go into it in today's video, but maybe I can make a video on that soon. We'll see. Okay, and finally, if you had an affiliate program that just didn't work out, that happened to me, by the way. This is actually the second affiliate program that we had over at my online store called The Contract Shop. Our first affiliate program was a complete flop, like such a flop. And the reason it was not going well at all was for a lot of the reasons that I've stated in this video. I didn't have a lot of the things that I'm talking to you about here, so you're actually going to be way ahead if you start to implement some of the things that I've already discussed with you. But the big reason why it flopped was because I made a list of my dream affiliates, who I wanted to be sharing my brand and products out with their audiences in the world. And I was so excited to work with some of these people, just to have them on a list and dream about working with them, right? But what happens when you make a list like that? You list the most popular, most known people at the top. And what do you do when you knock them out one by one, emailing, cold calling, just trying to get in their DMs and ask them to be an affiliate for you? You start with the biggest power players when you haven't had any experience yet. That's why I want you to be smart. I want you to learn from my mistake, and I want you to flip that list so that you're actually starting from the last person you put on the list, not the first, because every single time that you invite someone into your affiliate program, you're going to figure out ways to make that pitch better if you're cold pitching them, or make the application page better, or make the process smoother, or what your affiliate commission really should be in light of things that are changing in the industry, or the greater economy or whatever. So you're always going to be improving the program. And that way, when you get to the bottom of the affiliate list you made, you've actually refined the entire process and streamlined it so that everything works super smoothly and flawlessly, which is pretty important for the people that you thought of first because they're going to be the most busy and the least likely to be able to respond unless everything is absolutely streamlined. If you're struggling with people or companies to come up with for this list, don't forget that you can ask small companies like ConvertKit or HoneyBook if they'd be willing to partner with you, or sometimes they already have a process for doing this. So don't be afraid to think outside of the box. You don't just have to go to people that are micro influencers or TikTok influencers. You can actually think about some of the companies that you use every day in your business and ask if you could write a guest blog post for them and feature your products with affiliate links for them, or ask them if they wanted to feature you somewhere, maybe in a holiday guide, and you can give them an affiliate link to do that so they get a commission for it. So there's lots of creative ways to find these affiliate partners. And to be honest, our best affiliate partners are those people that have between 1,000 and 5,000 people in their audience. It's not actually the ones that have a huge audience. So let that be a little bit of relief to you that you probably already know 10 people that would be great affiliates if you've spent more than a month in this industry talking to people on Instagram. And finally, my best strategy for making sure that your affiliate program is top tier is to go ahead and smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed, because this channel is going to give you everything you need to get started and working with affiliates over the coming weeks. And if affiliates aren't your thing, we have covered so many other topics when it comes to digital products here, so make sure you check out those other videos. Affiliates are just one of the many strategies I use every single month to bring over $20,000 to $30,000 in of passive income through digital products. And every single month, our affiliate sales account for 13 to 30% of that, which is not insignificant. Like, that's actually a good chunk of change in the range of several $1,000s. So that means that we are seeing extra thousands of dollars come in just from the simple addition of an affiliate program. And my favorite part as an introvert is that I have to do less promotion on social media because they are out there doing it for me. If this was all really fun and you want to see how you can continue to grow your online store sales every single day, make sure you check out the video that just popped up on your screen, because that's what I recommend you watch next. See you next week, and let me know what questions you have about your affiliate program and getting one started.